Hi, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. We're going to go ahead and just do an overview of what Canopy is and what it can provide to you and your business. And then from there, we'll do a demonstration of the product set and show how easy it is to integrate it with your environment. So what are some of the tasks that we can accomplish with Canopy? Well, we've listed them all here, and as you can see, it's pretty much the same features and functions that you have already with your Veeam and Veeam Enterprise environments. You do have the ability to have individual file restores by just recovering the virtual machine disk and then browsing that disk from another virtual machine. Same operations that you're used to today and the way they function within Veeam. So how does Canopy work? Well, there's not a whole lot to it. It simply integrates with your existing Veeam and Veeam Enterprise environments as a backup repository or a cloud target. We take care of the security and the transport layer. You don't have to worry about establishing a VPN or an IPsec. Simply add us as a backup target within Veeam, and then you have the capability to back up either directly to us or use us as a backup copy target. Okay, so the first step is to go ahead and add us as a service provider. And as you can see here in the backup infrastructure, you have service providers as an option. Highlight this option and click Add. We will email you the information including the DNS name or IP address, as well as the credentials required. We will also send you the thumbprint for our verification, and you go ahead and paste that in there. Once it's established the connection, it will go ahead and list out the amount of capacity that you have available with your account. This can be dynamically increased as needed. At this point, it'll go through and run its verification checks and make sure that it can communicate with our service. And once that's complete, go ahead and hit Next. It'll give you a little summary. Hit Finish. And there you have it. It's just that simple to add a Canopy target to your Veeam infrastructure. Okay, so next we thought it would be helpful to show you just creating a backup job out to Canopy directly. So we just go into our backup and replication. We create a new backup job. And let's say we're just going to call this Canopy Direct. We need to go ahead and add virtual machines in which we want to back up. And we go ahead and add the virtual machine. Just for the use of the demo, we'll just add one. Backup proxy, you can choose whichever you prefer. And here you can see that we show up as a repository. So we'll go ahead and grab that. It'll query the storage and allow you to know just how much capacity you have available. You might restore points, change as needed. The Configure Secondary Destinations option is something that we used for archiving or copying backups out to Canopy, which we'll go over here in just a moment. Check off and use your typical Veeam settings. You can choose if you want to run this job on a schedule, just like anything else you do in Veeam. And we'll go ahead and hit Finish. And there you go. You have a backup job that is now pointed to the cloud directly. One of the more common uses with Canopy is as an archive target out to the cloud. So in order to accomplish that with Veeam, you have to first set up a backup copy operation, which will allow you to copy local backups out to another destination. So to do that, just go into your backup copy. You go ahead and you're going to create one. Choose what jobs you want to add to this copy. So essentially you're going to associate a backup job to this copy operation. The target in which you want to point it at, and in this case just like we chose previously, we're going to choose us as the cloud target. And you do have options to change the amount of restore points for archival that you want to keep. Now, one of the other things worth mentioning is that Canopy does support WAN acceleration. And as you can see, I have a WAN accelerator built in to take advantage of this. Now, in order to take advantage of WAN acceleration, you do need Veeam Enterprise. Obviously, you can schedule this and the summary of the job, and we go ahead and finish. To configure Canopy as a secondary target, simply go in and add up any backup job that you have. So long as you've created a backup copy job, as we just got done doing, you'll be able to check off the Configure Secondary Destinations option. once you go to that secondary target, you can see that when we go to hit the add button, you see that the copy to Canopy job that we just got done building is available there as an option. And once we finish that, that's applied to this particular backup job. We hope this video was useful in helping you understand what Canopy can bring to your business. Please stop by MessageOps.com and see what else that we can offer. Thank you.